Examine the product for flaws. Check the weather strip, mitered corners, and the screen for blemishes. To install the screen, place it in the slot, step back, rotate the slot up and in until you hear the click, then bring it down. Check the operation. Place the bottom of the screen up into the track. Make sure the screen glides without resistance. Using a screwdriver, adjust the track up or down with the screw in the corner. Slide the screen to check the reveals on both sides. Adjust the track on the other side. On the top of the screen, adjust the screws so that the hook drops down to the track. Remember, you want the bottom to glide and the top to hang. Repeat on the other side. Check the operation. To remove the screen, adjust the rollers on the bottom. Repeat on other side. Lift the screen up and bring it out. Tilt it backwards, rotate towards you, down and out. To install the lock, measure from the sill to the middle of the handle. Mark that measurement with pencil. Move to the frame and measure out the same length. Mark it with pencil. Slide the screen closed to ensure alignment. With a pencil, make a vertical line on the frame where the screen touches. That is where your locking hook will be installed. Drill a hole for the first screw following your pencil guide. Screw the locking hook into place. From the top of the hook, go down about 3/16 of an inch and using a self-cutting screw, drill it in to firmly hold the hook in place. Close the screen and check for alignment. Operate your new sliding screen.